Have you ever wondered how small farmers can generate six-figure incomes without owning hundreds of acres or investing in industrial equipment? While most people think real farm profits require massive scale, some unusual crops prove that high-value agriculture doesn't follow conventional rules. From exotic spices to rare fungi and specialty peppers, certain plants yield extraordinary revenue per square foot while requiring relatively little land. In this video, we'll explore 8 weird but profitable crops that small-scale farmers across the U.S. and the world are using to earn $100,000 to $200,000 or more per year. We'll dive into cultivation, market demand, and realistic earnings, so you can see which crops might transform a small farm into a lucrative enterprise. 1. Saffron. Saffron, often called the red gold of spices, is the most expensive spice in the world. Derived from the delicate stigmas of the saffron crocus, it requires intense, labor-intensive hand harvesting, with each flower producing only 3 red threads. Despite the painstaking work, a single acre of saffron can yield $8,000 to $16,000 annually. The high market value is driven by global culinary demand, with restaurants, gourmet food producers, and specialty retailers vying for quality saffron. It thrives in sunny, well-drained soils and requires minimal water once established. Small farmers who master proper planting and harvesting techniques can cultivate saffron profitably in backyards or small plots, proving that even tiny operations can generate significant income with precision and patience. Beyond the monetary value, saffron offers remarkable versatility and longevity. The spice can be stored for months without losing its aroma, flavor, or potency, making it ideal for both local sales and export markets. Its uses extend beyond the kitchen. Saffron is highly sought after for medicinal applications, natural dyes, and luxury cosmetic products. Farmers who explore niche markets can secure contracts with boutique culinary brands, wellness product manufacturers, and artisanal food producers, increasing revenue potential even further. Cultivating saffron also encourages sustainable agricultural practices. The crocus grows naturally without heavy chemical inputs, and its low water requirement makes it suitable for arid regions where other high-value crops might fail. With proper soil preparation, planting schedules, and staggered harvests, farmers can produce consistent yields year after year. Additionally, saffron cultivation can complement other crops in polyculture systems, enhancing soil health and biodiversity while diversifying income streams. For aspiring small-scale entrepreneurs, saffron represents an opportunity to combine tradition, craftsmanship, and modern marketing. By learning the nuances of planting, bloom timing, and delicate harvesting, farmers not only produce one of the world's most prized spices, but also develop a high-margin crop that can sustain and grow small operations. Its combination of luxury, rarity, and resilience makes saffron a standout example of how specialized knowledge and care can turn a small plot of land into a profitable, globally valued enterprise. 2. Gourmet mushrooms. Gourmet mushrooms, including varieties like shiitake, oyster, and maitake, are another high-revenue crop that doesn't require traditional farmland. Farmers can cultivate mushrooms indoors in controlled facilities as small as 2,000 square feet, generating $80,000 to $120,000 annually. Mushrooms grow quickly, often within 90 days, and are in constant demand by restaurants, farmers markets, and specialty stores. The cultivation process relies on creating the right humidity, substrate, and temperature rather than plowing fields or planting seeds outdoors. For urban or small-scale farmers, gourmet mushrooms offer a rapid return on investment, minimal land requirements, and a scalable business model that is both sustainable and profitable. Beyond these economic benefits, mushrooms are incredibly versatile, allowing farmers to diversify their offerings and target multiple market segments. For instance, fresh mushrooms can be sold locally for immediate consumption, while dried or powdered varieties serve as premium ingredients for culinary and wellness products. Specialized mushrooms, such as lion's mane or reishi, fetch higher prices due to their medicinal and nutritional value, creating additional revenue streams. Indoor cultivation also allows for year-round production, independent of weather, season, or soil quality, ensuring consistent supply and income. With careful planning, staggered cropping, and attention to environmental controls, mushroom farming can be automated to reduce labor costs while maximizing output. For small-scale operators, gourmet mushrooms combine high value, low overhead, and market flexibility, proving that even compact indoor operations can compete in the global specialty crop market. 3. Lavender. Lavender is a perennial drought-resistant herb that thrives with minimal irrigation and soil maintenance. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, lavender generates multiple revenue streams, including essential oils, dried bundles, and agritourism experiences. A well-maintained lavender field can earn $50,000 to $100,000 per acre annually, and the plants live 20-plus years with proper care. Its flowers attract visitors, creating opportunities for farm tours, workshops, and direct-to-consumer sales. Lavender cultivation requires patience and planning, but once established, it provides consistent income with low labor costs. Small-scale farmers can combine aesthetics, fragrance production, and agrotourism, turning a niche crop into a sustainable and lucrative operation. 4. Ginseng. Ginseng is a slow-growing perennial root valued for its medicinal properties, particularly in Asian markets. Wild simulated ginseng, grown in shaded hardwood forests, can fetch up to $1,000 per pound once matured. Cultivating ginseng requires patience. It can take 5 to 10 years before roots reach premium market size. Despite the long wait, the high price per pound makes an attractive investment for small forested plots. Ginseng cultivation relies on maintaining natural soil conditions, protecting roots from pests, and simulating wild growth patterns. Farmers who successfully navigate the growth timeline can create generational wealth with a crop that is low maintenance after the initial planting and highly sought after by global premium wellness markets. 5. Specialty cut flowers. Specialty cut flowers, including rare or exotic varieties, allow farmers to earn over $100,000 per acre with direct-to-consumer or wholesale sales. Unlike commodity crops, specialty flowers appeal to florists, weddings, and high-end events, creating a consistent and premium market. These crops require careful soil preparation, climate control, and precise harvesting to maintain bloom quality. Small plots can produce significant income due to high market demand and price per stem. Farmers who establish direct sales networks, subscription services, or partnerships with event planners can generate a reliable income while maintaining a small operation. Specialty cut flowers demonstrate that beauty and uniqueness can translate directly into profitability. 6. Wasabi. True wasabi, Eutrema japonicum, is extremely difficult to cultivate, requiring pristine, cold, constantly flowing mountain spring water. Despite the challenge, its market price ranges from $100 to $150 per pound, as most commercially sold wasabi is actually dyed horseradish. Wasabi farms often operate on very small acreage yet achieve impressive revenue due to high demand from luxury restaurants and sushi markets. Cultivation involves constant monitoring of water quality, temperature, and soil conditions to ensure proper rhizome development. For small farmers with access to the right environmental conditions, wasabi offers a high-value, low-footprint crop that combines rarity, exclusivity, and profitability in one specialized niche. 7. Matsutake mushrooms. Matsutake mushrooms are highly aromatic fungi that cannot be artificially cultivated. Farmers grow them by modifying pine forest floors, creating ideal conditions for their growth. These mushrooms are extremely valuable in East Asian markets, selling for up to $1,000 per pound. Matsutake cultivation requires patience, careful forest management, and ecological knowledge to encourage natural growth. Despite the challenges, landowners who master these techniques can achieve high returns on small plots of forested land. The mushroom scarcity and strong demand create a premium market, making it a highly profitable specialty crop for those willing to invest time and expertise in managing the forest environment. 8. Agarwood. Agarwood, derived from inoculated Aquilaria trees, produces a dark, fragrant resin used in luxury perfumes and incense. The process involves deliberately wounding the trees and triggering resin production with a specialized mold, which can take years to mature. Agarwood resin sells for over $50,000 per kilogram, making it one of the most valuable crops in the world. Cultivating agarwood requires careful environmental management, expert knowledge of tree biology, and long-term patience. Despite these challenges, small-scale farmers in suitable climates can generate extraordinary income per acre, turning what seems like an unconventional crop into a high-revenue, luxury agricultural product. So, there you have it. 8 weird crops that secretly make farmers millions. From saffron and gourmet mushrooms to lavender, ginseng, specialty flowers, true wasabi, Matsutake mushrooms, and Agarwood, these unusual crops demonstrate that high-profit farming doesn't require hundreds of acres or industrial machinery. Each crop combines scarcity, niche demand, and high revenue per square foot, allowing small-scale operations to compete with large commercial farms. By focusing on these specialty crops, farmers can create sustainable, profitable, and low-maintenance businesses that thrive even in limited spaces. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unique farming strategies, profitable crop ideas, and tips for small-scale agriculture. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.